Morning traders, Nick Messenger, Market Tea Leaves here to bring our daily market bias video for Wednesday, February 13th. It's approximately quarter after 5 a.m. on the East Coast. We're going to take a look at the overnight session in Asia. Asia trading mainly higher with the exception of the Indian Sensex exchange, which is down somewhat. And this is not fractional. This is actually significant for them because they don't usually trade fractionally. Currently, right now in Europe, it is currently ongoing. Europe is open trading. All of Europe is trading to the upside. However, up until a little while ago, the Spanish IBEX exchange was trading lower. That has since reversed. So now all of Europe is trading to the upside. In terms of market correlation as it stands, US dollar is trading higher. Bonds are trading higher. Gold is trading higher. Crude is trading higher. And the S&P, NASDAQ, Dow Jones Industrial Average is also pointing to a higher open. In terms of economic news, we have in the docket today for U.S. markets. At 8:30 a.m., we have Consumer Price Index, CPI, Core CPI. These are major. These are proven market movers. At 10:30 a.m., we have crude oil inventory, which is also major. And at 2 p.m. this afternoon, we have the federal budget balance. All that's being said, our bias is to the downside. Now, you might be asking, well, why is that? How is that? Well, very simply this. U.S. dollar is trading higher. Bonds are trading higher. This does not bode well for an upside day. The other thing also is we've been following the indices all morning long. They have definitely shrunk from where they were earlier today. As a case in point, S&P was trading about double what it is now, as well as the Dow Jones Industrial Average, which tells us that the markets are starting to denigrate to the downside. And I also believe that because the U.S. dollar is trading higher and the bonds are trading higher, this is not going to bode well for an upside day. Hence, our bias is to the downside. Could this change? Absolutely. Anything is possible in the volatile market. The other thing you need to think of is that the Dow Jones Industrial Average grew by almost 400 points yesterday. Our thought is that some people are going to want to take some money off the table, hence the downside bias. Could this change? Absolutely. Anything is possible in the volatile market. Thanks. Hope this helps. Look forward to the next time with you.